sparks. Every adventure begins with a spark. A gentle glow rising where night meets dawn. Together, these sparks form a circle of wonder, ancient, timeless, waiting to be seen. And so, the journey begins with the first spark of imagination. These are the Wonder Sparks adventures, where imagination, courage and friendship unlock the magic within. Previously on Wonder Sparks, after Emil and Coco unlocked the Whispering Mirrors, Amara and Fiera restored the Canyon of Hidden Bridges. But the journey is far from over. The Wonder Map now glows once more, revealing the next bearers of the Sparks. Their adventure begins now. Back at the Spark Space, fresh from their quest at the Canyon, Amara and Fiera return as the Wonder Map reveals a new adventure.
It's Bandock and Dazea's turn now. Their sparks will shine the path ahead.
They'll do great. I can feel it.
We will carry the light forward
And face whatever comes with boldness.
Seek the flame. Seek the light. Each will guide the other.
this place. It's even more magical than I imagined.
Then this is where our sparks are meant to be tested.
Look, Bandock, the map's showing us something.
The balance keepers wait in mist until flame and light unite once more.
So the temple's out of balance, and we are meant to restore it? It's the balance keepers, and they're still trapped in the mist.
Then this is where it begins.
The map, it's unlocking the message.
Fire finds the first key.
Then your spark. It begins with your spark.
The balance keepers wait, bound by the barrier. Only the trials of flame and light can set them free. Flame must rise first before light can follow.
The map, that looks like a chamber with flames.
And the sand glass, it must be where your trial begins.
This is it, the way to the trial.
Maravillosa, the map's opening the path for us.
Stay close, Dazea. I'll go first.
See, I'll be right behind you.
The trial of flame begins here. Lift the stones with courage before the sands of fire run out.
The sand, it's already fallen.
Then I have to move fast.
The stones awaken with fire. Only boldness can set them in place before the last ember falls.
I can feel it. It's heavy, but it's meant to move.
See, Bandock, the square calls to it. Keep going, you're almost there.
The first key awakens. Strength and courage made the flame listen. 2 more must follow. Each bold step lights the way. Carry it true and let the fire grow. The last key is placed. Boldness has carried the weight, and now the fire bows to your courage.
Estupendo, you did it. The chamber is awake.
The flame has spoken. A new path opens. Dazea, the trial of flowing waters calls to you.
Dazea, it's a new chamber, and it's very different.
Increíble. Look at the waterfalls. It's like the cave's alive.
Do you see that, Dazea? The sand glass is starting again.
The waterfalls and the lights glow brighter. I believe the trial has started.
The waters of truth have spoken. Their mist becomes light, and the first shard awakens the path ahead. Green, orange, yellow. 3 lights become one. The token of flame and light is born, and it will guide your path.
The token, it's splitting.
2 sparks, 2 paths. Flame and brilliance now revealed. Together they will awaken the gate.
Two tokens, but the third one is missing.
Flame and light waits, but the gate is not yet whole. Trust your inner sparks. Only together can you forge the key. The barrier is lifted, and the guardians can rise again.
Brave sparks, thank you for your courage and light. You restored what was lost, and now the mist of barriers is lifted. The token of unity is now yours. Guard it well, and may its light guide your steps. Thank you. Farewell, brave ones.
You have done well, brave sparks. The token is yours, and I am proud. But ahead lie new tests and greater light.
The map. It's showing the chosen sparks.
Ginka, Amara, and Megumi.
And so, Bandock and Dazea's courage lights the temple once more. But the wonder map whispers of new sparks and adventures.
Be bold. Your courage makes the way.
Shine bright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios.